Alright, Texas Voodoo here. Just doing a quick video of our tiny house that we were building. It's currently all shelled up. We're working on the interior. We have the kitchen for the most part complete. Here we go. It's a mess inside right now because it's construction, of course. We did a thin brick wall that runs up and along our loft. We got some of the drywall done, some of the walls. We had spray foam, of course, done in the entire inside. An island. Here's our kitchen currently. We got all new appliances. They're just kind of them two are just sitting there temporarily to get them out of our way. There's a little more light for the kitchen. Rear door. This is going to be our little pantry, broom closet. I put all my on-demand water heater in here. Water filter is all going to be housed in there. And then into our bathroom, still under construction. This is going to be washer dryer on the back there, stackable, full size stackable. Toilet there, cabinet above it, feature wall. That's going to be our tiled shower there. And then we're going to have the pocket door just to conserve on space. Then we'll have in that corner will be a staircase going up to our loft. Probably a spiral staircase. Currently we're using a ladder. Here's our loft. This is going to be our bedroom. We've finished the feature wall. We have to trim out the window. Mini split and a mini split over there for the front half. The bedroom's going to have its own big ceiling fan in that area. Just a quick video to show you what we've done so far. Any comments, questions? Post them up. Please hit the like, subscribe. There's a lot more we're going to be doing, as you can see. Hope you enjoy.